Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many Excel users face. So the problem we have at hand is how to highlight category segments in a radar plot within Excel. You know, sometimes those radar plots can be a bit tricky to work with, and we want to make our data visualization pop a bit more. Now, let's dive right into the solution. The first step is to add a column named Count after the weight column in our data. Then, we'll select the data range, go to Insert Recommended Charts, All Charts tab combo, and choose Radar Chart for weight and Pie Chart for count. This combo will help us create the effect we're looking for in our radar plot. Next up, we'll need to customize our newly created chart. Right-click on the chart, select Data, and make sure to choose the correct data source for both weight and count. It's essential to ensure that the data sources are correctly aligned to get the desired outcome. You can play around with the formatting options to fine-tune the chart to your specific needs. Maybe even change the radar line color to make it more visually appealing. In summary, we've successfully tackled the problem of highlighting category segments in a radar plot within Excel by using a creative solution involving combo charts. Remember, Excel offers a wide range of options for data visualization, and with a little creativity, you can achieve some fantastic results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel charting hack. Keep charting, and I'll see you in the next video.